So I'm a huge fan of Asian Paints, where the heart is. I always wanted this, chance to show off my home, and it's just a random fantasy of mine that I wanted to fulfill. So I always had a very strong vision board. I had pictures very similar to this about how I wanted my home to be. So something I was very, very certain on was the pastel colors that I wanted to choose for my house. I wanted to stay more in the cream and the off-white and the light, pink sort of zone. Another thing that I'm super big on actually is texture. Even my sofas, they're very comfortable. That's another thing that I wanted. I'm not very comfortable with leather, so I knew I wanted something soft. I think it also adds a lot of character to just, a simple sofa. When you have a textured material on it, it looks very unique and different, and that's what I like. So my dressing room have my wardrobe equally organized. Everything's labeled in the drawers. I also wanted something that mimics a vanity van of sorts so I can get ready. So I have a really big mirror and I have lights. So I wanted something that felt like set. It's my only part of home that has a little bit of work in it. A little reminder, I think, of how far I've come, but also how far I want to go from here. The designer of my home, who's very, very close to my heart and very close to my family, actually suggested bringing in some color with the color pink. So I was a little averse to it, I'm not gonna lie. But then she found this really pretty baby pink, a very simple, nice pink. And actually, I even agreed for my front door to be pink. So I'm happy that she, held her ground and kind of forced me to bring that pink into my house, because now I can't imagine my house any other way. Actually, my doors in my house, you can't see doors in my house, at least my bedroom door and my makeup room door, because there's fluting on it and they're not door handles. It almost goes in with the wall. You can't really tell where the door is. I just walked out and someone thought I walked through walls, basically. It looks like that. So someone who wants to have a girly home, I would say fill it with a lot of flowers and candles. That's one thing. Yeah, some sort of pastel color, but it can be like a baby blue or like yellows, but like a lighter tone of it, I would say. And 3, mirrors. Going through this whole moving out process and home designing process, I think it was the first step of mine to come closer to myself, to kind of understand what kind of person I am. I had to completely put my full heart and soul into it. So I think honestly, home design, finding your home, making it your own space is a great step to discovering yourself, to finding who you truly, what you like, what you don't like. So yeah. If you're inspired by my home decor, go to beautifulhomes.com by Asian Paints for a lovely style guide.